Alright YouTube, how you doing? It's been a while since I've done a video. Been on a trip. I'm going to show you guys an upgrade I did to the Jeep WJ. I've installed the Airlift 1000 on it today. It was pretty easy. Pretty much I had to fit this piece, it's like a damper or something with a hole to run your line, and the airbag inside of the spring. I did not remove any components except for the tire. Okay, how did I get this piece into here without removing any components? The little damper piece with the hole, I shoved my scissor jack right there, shoved it between the springs, and I opened it up and then shoved that piece in. So the install was fairly easy. The only issue with this Airlift 1000 kit is that on the other side there's the exhaust runs right through here, and you have to install a heat shield. The clamps that clamp onto the exhaust with this kit, they were too big, so you have to order, or you're gonna have to purchase smaller ones to fit it. I made them work. I just put like a piece of bolt, a little bolt on it, and I made it happen, but I'm gonna eventually have to get back there and fix that. The lines are running through here. I put the T over here with the brake line T, so I matched the T up here. To fit these air lines onto this T that comes with the kit, you gotta heat it up. I used a heat gun, and then I used some soapy water, moistening the T fitting, and then pushed it through. That's the only way to get these air lines onto this T fitting. You need a heat gun. Blow dryer might work, but I'm not sure. So you see here, that's where your airline runs through. And then I ran the airline over here through the gas tank. Sorry, I'm not focused. The rest of the airline is ran through the gas tank here. And my fitting is right here on the bumper. So it's just so if you come up to my Jeep, you see the fitting was right there, right next to my trailer light hookup, or trailer hookup. So that's pretty much it. The Airlift 1000 installed on the Jeep WJ. I haven't tested it out yet, but I'm pretty sure this is more than capable to do the job for me. The trailer I tow is only about maybe 2,500 pounds, so it's not that bad. So yep, that's it. Make sure you keep like 5 PSIs in there at all times, they say, so it doesn't pinch, and you should be straight. How do you fill it up? You can use a bike pump, or you can go up to the gas station, the tire inflator at the gas station that you put a quarter in, and fill it up. Alright guys, thanks for watching.